Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. Sitting behind me is a very, very special car. Not only is it the latest CX1100R, but it started off as a Shelby Signature Edition wide body. Let's check it out. As you can see on the exterior, the most obvious change is the wide body setup, but Shelby has done a lot of things here that are pretty unique. Obviously the wheels are unique. It has a lot of carbon. This particular one has a very unique hood. This is awesome. This is only available on the Signature Edition Shelby. You can't buy that otherwise. But under the hood is where we did our job. This features our CX1100R package, which features a Joker's ported blower, pulley, E85 fuel system. He elected to go with the carbon fiber Kong intake. We also do this with the JLT intake, as well as a list of many other parts to get this whole thing together and make the power. We've done all kinds of dyno work, but I want to show you the inside of this thing too. Shelby does some awesome seats for this thing. You know, typically aftermarket seats or treatments like this can go one of two ways, and this went like a home run. I love this sort of stuff. You can sometimes get overdone or the quality is not as good. This looks 100% OEM. The design is insanely good. I'd love to have these seats in my car, to be honest with you. I'm not a fan of the typical Recaro seat myself, but I would have this one for sure. Anyway, let's go ahead and watch some dyno pulls and then we'll talk some more about the car. All right, that thing sounded awesome on the dyno. One thing I wanted to point out is our serialized packages and how they differ from parts we may sell online. This is an official CX1100R serial number 5. We have a lot of people lined up for this package. I believe we have 7 or 8 in the shop being built now and plenty of people behind them. And what it takes to get this is not only the power package, but we have to put it together because at some point, anybody can figure out what parts we have and all those sorts of things, but how you put it together, how it's tested, how it's tuned, and it's a turnkey package out the door. The only way we can offer that is if we do it here in-house, and that's what the serial numbers are about. One other thing I wanted to point out about race car is all the carbon fiber, and that is where the C comes in. We do offer an X1100R package that is not serialized. Only the CX packages are serialized, and the C stands for carbon. We installed Ray's hood vent setup and a lot of the other carbon around the car. Look at this stuff. This is awesome. He's got the Shelby Ford racing lip, the wickers. Obviously the side skirts will not work with the wide body. He's got the rear valance. He's got the gurney flap, the mud flap add-on here. He's got just about everything you can do other than obviously what won't fit because of the wide body, but I think I'd take the wide body over the carbon side skirts. Let's go ahead and watch a few more dyno pulls, and then we're gonna wrap the video up with Ray as he takes his first ride in the car.